Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. So the painting you're going to see in the video today is the sunflower swipe technique, and it did not turn out exactly the way I thought it was going to. I didn't realize it, but the table that I had put my painting on to dry was not level, so some of the paint shifted. But I love how it turned out. It's supposed, okay, I'm just going to show it to you guys. So it's supposed to have the center where it's the half circle, right? But because of the table being uneven, you have this really cool like movement and flow. There is a little bit of flocculation here, but I don't mind flocculation. I think it actually looks really cool. I mean, I think it adds to the abstract effect. So flocculation does not bother me. But yeah, I actually really like how it turned out, even though it was not really what I was going for. So yeah, I think there might be something to this. I might try to do more and let them dry uneven and see exactly how they turn out. I do have my online course available for this sunflower swipe technique. It's available on my website, crystalcoastoriginals.com. So if you guys are interested, definitely check that out. I think that's it for me today. Thank you so much, you guys, and I will see you on the next one.